Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be going through what we call a cone. And for cones, okay, it is actually a solid figure, circular base with a vertex. Again, the vertex is right at the top here. That's the vertex. And this vertex is not on the plane of the base. It is at the top. Okay. And there are two heights again, which is similar to pyramid, that we should be mindful of. The first one is the height of the pyramid, or the cone, sorry. This is the height of the cone. Okay, and this one is actually perpendicular from the vertex to the base, 90 degrees. The second one will be what we call the slant height, which is this particular length here, which is from the vertex to a point on the circular base. And this will be useful. We usually use the letter L, small letter L, to denote it. This is useful when we want to find surface area. Okay? And of course, the last thing to take note would then be the radius, base radius. That will be helpful later on. Okay, so with all that, then when we look at the perpendicular height that passes through the center, this is what we call a right circular cone. If we were to cut right, then we can actually see something, We saw that the curved surface area is essentially finding the area of this, what we call the sector, which is this. So you see, when we make a cutting here, and we actually cut out this whole area, it will eventually fold out and look like this. Okay? And what's important to take note is that this is my letter length L. This is the R. This R is actually my base area, and together, amazingly, pi r l allow us to find this area. And so for the cone right, the curved surface area is pi r l, where L is the slant height. And to find the total surface area later on, we just need to add on the circular base. Okay? Well, we can continue to, this sums up this video, a quick intro of all the terms and the special heights that we need to look out for when we find surface area of a cone. Okay? And the last part of this video would then be to consolidate the whole surface area of a cone. To find the total, I would then have to, total surface area, consider this base area, which is area of a circle, pi r squared. And the curved surface area that we have just realized and found, which is pi r l, pi times r times l. And that will allow us to find the total surface area of a cone. And we have come to the end of this video. Do check out some of the other videos that has examples when we try to find volume and surface area of a cone. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.